The International Day of Yoga is being celebrated across the globe today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead the celebrations at the United Nations headquarters in New York, US. More than 180 countries are expected to join to show their commitments towards yoga. The White House said India will be a critical strategic partner for the US in the coming decades. US National Security Council Coordinator for Strategic Communications John Kirby said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the country will affirm the deep and close partnership between the two nations. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the state government don't interfere in the matter of district council. He said there must have been some reason that the MDCs decided to change the EC. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that the situation is serious in Manipur while appealing for peace. It may be mentioned that neighbouring state is witnessing violence since many days. Indian men's football team will take on Pakistan in SAF Championship 2023 at the Sri Kanti Rava Stadium in Bengaluru this evening. The match will start at 7:30 p.m.